Looking for an easy way to keep your website up to date? Want to let your clients know about an upcoming sale or event? The Holiday Badge app makes it easy to do both. You can add a Wix Holiday Badge to your site in a matter of minutes, making it an effective and easy way to promote seasonal items and let your customers know about the holiday sales that you're having. The badges are customizable, so you can change colors, fonts, text to match your site and appeal to your target market. But the badges can be used for more than just announcing your Father's Day sale. You can customize a badge to show your customers that you support a certain cause or to highlight best-selling products. Best of all, you can make the badges clickable as well. So consider including a call to action such as buy now or donate. That way, in addition to keeping your clients in the loop, badges can help you increase your sales. That guy. Finally, you don't want to forget to remove the badge after the sale is over. You don't want to be that website that still says Merry Christmas in July. Check your calendar to see what holiday is coming up and start thinking of ways to promote sales for the occasion. So don't forget, put a badge on it.